Hi everyone, my name is Rachna Vipparla and I'm a junior at Jonathan Law High School. This is my invention, Viru-Cleanse. With millions of people being directly and indirectly affected by COVID-19 across the world, I wanted to identify a way to help people during this stressful time. However, what truly inspired me was seeing my parents work the front lines every day in order to ensure that people remained healthy amid this pandemic. Witnessing them work tirelessly in the healthcare field without the availability of proper PPE made me understand the importance of sanitization to prevent virus transmission. I realized, however, that even with these hand sanitizers and regular disinfectants, there are not enough precautionary measures being taken. One study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that coronavirus could be detected up to 24 hours on cardboard and up to 2 to 3 days on plastic and stainless steel. I realized that e-commerce could be a dangerous way for disease transmission. USPS delivers around 150 billion packages annually, with almost every postal service delivering mail at the rate of 19.7 million mail pieces per hour. As sanitizing these packages individually would be impossible, I wanted to create an invention that would efficiently disinfect packages before they made human contact. Viru-Cleanse is a product with 2 essential components. The first part is a stable hypochlorous solution used as a disinfectant. The second part is a line of products that can be utilized as a solution in an irrigation system. As you can see here, this is a working model of Viru-Cleanse, which I used to test the misting system and ensure that the solution's viscosity would work in the misters. Each product employs a unique misting irrigation system to spray the hypochlorous solution as a light mist. Through the misting system, the customizable design ensures that the surface is sprayed evenly. There is a tank containing the hypochlorous solution attached to a pump, which forces the solution through the misters. Viru-Cleanse incorporates a time sensor, which activates the nozzle to spray when it senses an object. Because Viru-Cleanse can be adjusted and is safe for human use, I realized that it can be used in a wide range of places, such as distribution centers, warehouses, airports, large containers coming into the ports, trucking stations, schools, and even homes. For example, here are some models. Viru-Cleanse has a high efficacy as a disinfectant because of the materials used. Hypochlorous has been proven as an effective antimicrobial agent. For example, according to EPA's list of disinfectants that have been proven to be effective against viruses, hypochlorous acid was listed as a disinfectant to viruses including SARS-CoV-2, which is a strain of coronavirus, norovirus, and rhinovirus. There have been numerous studies published in the past pertaining to the effectiveness of utilizing hypochlorous as a disinfectant to the body and surfaces. Therefore, it goes without a doubt that the 0.9% saline and the hypochlorous solution will combat bacteria and viruses when Viru-Cleanse is put to use. With materials ranging from PVC pipes, misters, and motion detectors, the base price of Viru-Cleanse would cost around $200, which means that it would be sold in the market for around $350. I believe that this is the best time for Viru-Cleanse to enter the market because of the urgent need to prevent infections. Naturally, throughout this invention process, I faced many challenges, whether it was the solution I used or how to test my product. Initially, when I began inventing Viru-Cleanse, I was going to use sodium hypochlorite as an effective sanitizer against viruses. While I knew that sodium hypochlorite was not safe, I initially assumed that if the sodium hypochlorite were to be diluted, it would be safe. However, after extensive research about sodium hypochlorite, I learned that it has corrosive properties, meaning that it eats away at materials it contacts. If sodium hypochlorite were to be accidentally ingested, it could be fatal. Realizing that I needed to find an alternative material that would be safe for human contact while having antiviral properties, I had to refine my initial solution and use hypochlorous instead. Before COVID-19 swept the world in the form of a global pandemic, it was common for the general population to not take precautionary disinfective measures. However, it is clear now, as the world is adapting to new challenges, that it is necessary for us to be more cautious. With Viru-Cleanse, packages and people will be quickly and effectively disinfected prior to transport, ensuring maximum efficiency. Similarly, this tactic would be used in airports, an area where people are extremely prone to transmission. Viru-Cleanse is critical in airports as well because of luggage, goods, and people constantly coming into contact through conveyor belts and security checks. Viru-Cleanse would efficiently disinfect these before entering the plane. Similarly, Viru-Cleanse can be customized to be used anywhere, especially now with the uncertainty surrounding the reopening of schools and public places after the numbers decrease. If Viru-Cleanse were to be installed in areas such as schools or malls, it would work effectively as a disinfectant, decreasing the likelihood of transmission, and to also reassure the public amid this time of uncertainty. Viru-Cleanse is the cohesive use of a hypochlorous solution as a mist irrigation system, which makes it unique and completely new to the market. Thank you, and I hope you liked my invention.